based on their own assessment, what they put up against her, Rhoda defied them and demonstrated her political spurs as an infighter, yeah, because they felt that given the local government election last year when she lost all 4 divisions, she stormed back last Wednesday and won 3 of the 4, and not only survived, but defeated convincingly Donovan Mitchell. That one, I gather, was a real blow to them, not getting to 32. The other 2 being East and St. Andrew, where Favour Williams was thought to be very vulnerable to Patricia Duncan Sutherland. And Favour Williams demonstrated her political spurs as well, yeah, in defying PDS, as they call her affectionately, Patricia Duncan Sutherland, and won.